Good morning, students. We are now to start our second chapter uh, in GK, which is about the epic of our country, that is about Mahabharat and Ramayana. Now you can see that there are some scramble words given to you, and the question that is given to you is, I am the only sister of the Kauravas. And the answer for that is Dushala. You can scramble the word and you can find out that it is Dushala. Now, Dushala was the only sister of Kauravas. Duryodhan, you must have heard in Mahabharata about Duryodhan. So, they were, she was the only sister of this Duryodhan, and she had married to a person, or you can say the king of Sindhu. His name was Jayadratha, and he was killed by Arjun in the Kurukshetra war. And it so happened that Dushala had got a son, and at the time when Arjun was conquering all the kingdoms and slowly he was nearing the kingdom of Sindhu, this son of Dushala got so scared that his coming itself caused death to him. He was so terrified. So, that is about a short story of Dushala. So, the next one is about a bear that was there in Rama's King Rama's army. So, this bear mostly looked like a monkey, and he was called as king of all the bears among and this Jambavna had also helped Rama, King Rama, in his struggle when Sita was captured by King Ravan. So that time, this bear has helped a lot in getting Sita back. So you can see in the scramble words that the word that is given to you is Jambavna. Jambavana. The next one is, the word that is written here is the clue that is given to you is, my name means born in a vessel. So the word is Drona, and this Drona was not born in a very human way, but he was born in a vessel by, and his father was Rishi Bharadwaj, and he was not only born in a vessel, after that he had been termed as the third incarnation of Brahma also, and he was also the commander chief in the Kauravas army, and he was very good in guarding in the fight that had happened in Kurukshetra. The next one you can see is, I am a counselor, the son of the sage Vyasa. Okay, so and the word that is there is Vidura. Okay, now who is this Vidura? Vidura is also from an epic character from Mahabharat, and he is often seen when the Pandavas and Kauravas, they have their plans and fights or anything about it. So he is always there as an advisor. So he was the advisor of these Pandavas. So whenever Duryodhan used to make any plan to trap Pandava. So next you can see is I Am Bhim's son by his second wife Hidimba, and animated film was also made by me. So that is Bhim's son was Ghatotkacha, and this Ghatotkacha was towards Pandavas, helping them in the Kurukshetra war, and he has also killed many. Uh, he has also killed many demons that were against this. You must also have heard the song about this Ghatotkacha. The next is about Amba. Now, this is not the correct picture of Amba, but Amba was Amba was an epic in Mahabharat, and she was the daughter of this king Kashya. Okay, and in this, what happened? King Bhishma Pitama, what we see in Mahabharat, he had captured this Amba, and because of that, she was not able to marry neither the person whom she loved, that was Salva, and neither then Bhishma married Amba. So because of that, what happened, that she always had only one goal in her life, that she wanted to destroy Bhishma. So that was her aim, and then in her next birth she gets reborn to whatever this penance, whatever the sin that has been done, just for that sake she is reborn as Shikhandi. Shikhandi, born to King Drupad. Okay, Draupadi you have heard. So Draupadi's sister was Shikhandi. Now the next one is Ashwatthama. Now this Ashwatthama was on the side of Kauravas. So he had fought a war, Kurukshetra war, being against Pandavas and for Kauravas. So he had a boon, like that he can live immortal life, Chiranjeevi. Okay, so that was there in his this thing. But whatever he has obtained, he has always crossed all the limits, and he has also misused all the divine weapons that he had. So he was not conceived. He was the son of Drona. Okay, and these Pandavas has killed an elephant, and then what they had done, they had told Father Drona that, and not only told, they had convinced him that his son has dead. Okay, next one is I am the mother of Ravan and the lord of Lanka, whose father is sage Vishrava. So in your scramble words, you can see it is Kaikasi. Okay, so she was the mother of Ravan, and she was also the one who ordered to fight on Ram's side. Okay, so she was also very devoted to Lord Shiva. So that is about mother of Ravan, Kaikasi. Next one is I assume the shape of the golden deer which attracted Sita. So when you must have seen in Ramayan that Ram Lakshman draws a border and tells not to cross it. So this deer had come, which was in the had taken the shape of deer, but it was a Rakshasa, and this Rakshasa was then killed by Ram, who has uh, who this deer was there sent by Ravan to kidnap Sita. Okay, so that is about the deer that was formed, that is Maricha. And the last slide is about a very famous director of the Tamil cinema. He has also starred the movie Ravan, where you must have seen that movie. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan, and Vikram was also there in that. And that movie was directed by Mani Ratnam. Okay, so very famous director, and he has also screened another other such movies also, and he's a very famous director. So the word is Mani Ratnam.